Hey there, hope that everyone is fine and having very good time. Actually, we have gone to the school, but after reaching to the school, we have informed that the school is closed and it will be closed till Thursday. So now we are going back to our house, and our house is a little bit far from the school. So we are going back to the home by walking. And by this time, I have thought that I can make a video and I can practice my English because practicing English is the only way to be fluent, to talk like a native speaker. So we should try to transform every situation into practicing English. And if we can be able once to transform every situation into our practicing, the time we will be able more likely like a fluent and native speaker. So that's why I am practicing, and I'm trying every situation to transform into English. At the very beginning, it might be a little bit difficult, and we might mistake a lot, but we have to learn from our own mistake. And if we don't do mistake, then we will not be able to reach to our goal. And in every task, when we actually learn something new, every task there will be there will be, what should I say, mistake will have there actually, and we have to learn from our own mistake. And if I try to give an example, when we were child, that time we at the very beginning we didn't know how to walk. So when we actually tried to walk that time, many times we actually fall on the ground, and by falling on the ground again and again, one time we had been able to walk actually. So like that, in learning English, we have to learn from our own mistake. And when we actually do one mistake and we try not to do the mistake again, that time we will learn actually. So in this way, we have to practice our English. And if we be able to understand us this thing, and and if we be able to take us on the proper way, in proper way, with the proper guideline, so one day will come when we will be able to talk in English. So this is the thing that I actually wanted to share in this video, and I wish for you best of luck. If I do any mistake in this video, take it positively. Thank you.